Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change phone number in Gmail account. So first of all, open Gmail. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get start. Tap onto profile icon at the bottom right corner. Click on Google account. Tap on to second option, personal info, and here you can show your contact option, email and phone number. Simply select phone option. Click on to pen icon and click on update number. And here you can easily customize your new number, and finally click on to next, and you need to just verify this new number and then successfully change your phone number in your Gmail. So that's how you can do it.